today I had a special video because I will be doing an unboxing. Well, I already opened it. So I just wanted to share with you guys this new portable LED lamp that I had got from Born Pretty. And yeah, I was so excited when I was like, oh snap, baby, okay. So yeah, this is actually from Born Pretty, and I had chose the one that had the studs, and I guess you have to put together the studs. So I was like, okay, that's a little DIY project for me. I love DIY projects. So yeah, like I said before, this LED light is this is a portable LED light from Born Pretty, and this was about $3 online. So I will definitely put down the link below. But yeah, so let's unbox it. Okay. Oh, it's like a phone. It's like a phone. Literally, it's like a phone. But yeah, so this is the LED lamp, and like I said, this is a portable LED lamp. This is not an LED lamp like you can use. Well, you can definitely use it if you would like, you know, I don't know. But this is a portable LED light, so of course it's not going to be too big like the big bulky ones. And this is the light right here. And these are the little studs. I had, like I said, I chose the one with the rhinestones and stuff on there, but I guess you have to put them together yourself. So it actually did come with like an adhesive that you have to peel back and then just put it on there. Okay, but where's the pen? Then it has a user manual. This is the user manual. And then a cord, but the cord does not have the back piece, so you probably would have to get another back piece. And the cord is pretty short. It is not as long. Like I said, it is pretty short. So I have my laptop nearby, so I'm just gonna use the laptop. But for you guys, it's better to get a back piece. So I'm just plugging it into my laptop right quick. Then we'll see if it works. If this thing don't work, I need my money. I need my money back, please. Can't open that side. Okay, but I'm trying to. I don't know if it's because of my nails, but yeah. Okay, so it lights up pretty well. I actually want to test it out, so we're gonna put the stones on and then test it out. So let me just unplug this. And these are the rhinestones, so pretty. I want to be careful because I'm not trying to peel it off all the way. You have to be careful because this is stone, so perfect. Okay, and I have on long nails, y'all, so pray for me. I want to leave it flat. I don't want the stones to be. And if my head is in the way, I'm sorry, but I'm going to just lift it up a little bit. Perfect. And then just press everything down. See? Like I said, you have to be careful. You have to be careful. I am not editing this out, but y'all know I'm the finesse queen, so y'all know I'm gonna finesse this. Woman said, I am the funness queen. Okay. What the fuck I just said? Funness. But yeah, I'm gonna actually put it towards to the left because it's going mostly to the right and I don't want it to go do that. So, and this is all in real time. I am not editing nothing. I don't know why they didn't just send it already like this or whatever. Whatever. I don't want to grab it too hard because the stones might rip again. Right here. I don't want the stones to lift up. So I have to press it where I think the bubbles are. That's cute. I got my own stones. If I want, I probably might, you know, put little stones on the side. But it's still cute. Still cute, okay? But yeah, so like I said, I am gonna test it out and see if this baby is working. Cause if it's not working, me need no money. Not play. So plug it back up. Ça pas travail, pas besoin là j'aime jodi hein. Okay. Got my gel top coat from Mia Secrets. I'm just gonna apply a little bit because I already have gel top coat on top of these nails, and I already have a tutorial on these slime green nails, so I will definitely put the link up top for you guys. But yeah, we're just gonna see if the light works. So yeah. Okay, I see that. Usually LED lights take about 30 seconds. So these 30 seconds, I usually do 15 seconds, but we'll do a quick 30 seconds. All right. Oh, and it worked. It actually works. Okay, Born Pretty, y'all working with something. I'm loving it. I really like it. So definitely this will be my traveling LED light for when I do travel to clients. So I'm really loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.